Kurmzari, Ming Tavisimutaran Ochari, Nasimaru Pauda. Lamda Mama Chokopada Research, Amasung Scholars in Gitaudangam Nachawi Hana Chief Minister Okram Ibobina Fundokre. Mapung Pau, Pizari. Lamdam ama Chokopada Research Amasung Scholars in Gitaudangam Nachawi, Manipuri University na Ehenber Research Scholars in Putoktona, Matamgi Chokot Lamjel da Saruk Yana Bohona Sihaina, Manipuri Chief Minister Okram Ibobina Fundokre. Indian Science Congress Association Imphal Chapter Amasung Manipuri University Anina Sinduna Namithumni Chatharakiba, Human Development Kidamag Science and Technology Habat National Seminar Lushinbagi Thoramda Wafamasi Mahana Fundokibani, University ki Court Hall the Pangtokiba Thoram Asida Vice Chancellor Professor H.N.K. Sarma, Indian Science Congress Association ki General President Asok Saxena Susar Yake, Young Scientists in that Scientific Piduna, Ikai Kumnabas Certificate Piduna Ikai Kumnabas Utke. Chief Minister Okram Ibobina Seminar Asina Mahiri Singda Scientific Wakalon Lehenbaga Loinana Noriba Scientists in Akang Ahi Singdagi Anoba Loksing Tansin Bangamgani Lamdam Ama Chokorpada Research Scholars in Achogotodang Lai Adubu Manipur University na Masing Yamna Putopak Ngamdriba Asigi Asweba Adu Kangdutuna Jumtok Pachangi Science and Technology Chakonaba Manipur Sarkar Makadegi Achogotodang Lonaba Taurang Tauduna Lai Fundoki.
Manipur student who are willing to study here, many from our neighboring country, Myanmar, or any from Japan, Thailand, this is our responsibility. So this is my humble suggestion and also appeal. And all the scientists, renowned scientists, I would like to appeal, kindly try to bring out something which will be beneficial to our human development. Then only then state government will definitely consider. We are not expert in any other field. Just we will listen.
Professor H.N.K. Sarmana Science and Technology na miyobagi hingbagi lambida khudong chaba kaya pibiga loinana lamdam ama chawkhatpada achoba thodang lawi phungdoki.
Development in communication, internet facility, and thereby the globe has become a small global village. This is the benefit of science and technology, and we have seen during the last few years the development of the energy conservation. Government of India and all over the world giving emphasis on the conservation of energy because we have 6 billion people, means about 600 crores of the world or 620 crores of the world population.
Tasigi Kuntarukta Pangtokodava Republic Degi Thorongi Mapung Faba rehearsal ngasi Pangtokre Ahanba Manipur Rifles ki parade ground the Hokiba Mars Pass Kangla Manungi saluting based Salami Piki Mapam Sing Asidagi Kanglage Awang Thangba Get Fauraga Koyatong Kangla Park Paring Jail Rota Changduna parade ground da Doshinke Republic Day parade Asida Tongan Tongamba Security Forcing School College Kim Harrising Tongan Tongamba Furukit Nat ki Kambusing na Saluyaki rehearsal Asida Aswe Angam Toktanaba Security na akan bercacing terang lokatki. All Manipur Adult Backward Classes Welfare Association gi chahi gi mifam pangtokna MH Yafababu Association gi President G Gopeshwar Sharma bu General Secretary oina khankre. Cryptology ki matangda numit humni chathagadaba awang nongpoki workshop ama CI College Bisnupur dangarang dagi hokre hautopoki thoromda Education Minister Okendro Industry Minister Govindas Kontaujam amasung MLA I Ibohol bisu yake MLA I Ibohol bina handang marang VIP singi telephone tap tawre haina hek tariba asi tadanaba cryptology sizinabagi tangai fadabalai haike Minister Govindas Kontaujamna ngasi pangtholiba workshop asidagi CI College ki mari leinaba singna hena khudong chaba lahobagi tangai fadabalai phungdoki Chief Guest okiba Education Minister M Okendro na college singi fivum faganaba government na kanna honari tha sigi kumapanda HRD gi Minister of State Imphal da lakani Center nasu education da ehenba miyeng changlagani haiba thazaba pirakle phungdoki
Center na to HRD to ya bakarino haiba khanna doni Next up, Honorable HRD Minister Lakani Smile Equinahan, Penathamjaruba, State City Awaba, Education the Tingari Awaba, Pisali Awaba, Faculty One Awaba, Ozasing Toba, Bimam Toba, Punawan, Salan Bevari Kai,
Manipur State Finance Commission amadi MLA Local Area Development Fund ki mating na Tagel Kolom Lekai da Saba Kaitel Sang ama Social Welfare Minister A.K. Mirabai na miyam da kusinakre Kaitel Sang asi isagi lani khanna miyam na luna na sizin na binaba minister na appeal tauki
Cheda se koi miyam ki damakta akoi leiba praja singji present need chi akoi mit tongna bo na bada hariba market set se bai to dra koi dai Kolom Lekai ki community hall si ki akoi stay test toga atu ko matam da koi na sangga ba ya na ba ha na cha cha
Akam Pata Kendra Vidyalaya Sabi Haina 11 Star Sporting Union ye office ta pangthok ki ba tonga tonga ba club sing ya wa mifam amana wadep lokre karigumba namduna sarwadi maduda thorokpa afafatagi daita mari leinaba department na pugada bani phongdorli Korna mara leite haina ngarang thadorak padagi makhata na samu makhongda nimidang dagi charai handagi khongjang changsilibi irom chanu sarmila ngasisu mafam asida mahake khongjang changsili miyam amadi police na mahapu senari maroiba pawmukana bizari Lamdam ama Chokopada Research amasung scholars singi thaudang yamna jawi haina Chief Minister Okram Ibobina phongdokre Mieng ta video bismo mukana khurumjari